Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Laika AI token. Ticker symbol is LKI, I believe. Let me verify that here. Yes, the ticker symbol is LKI. Now this token is getting at least 2 central exchange listings. 2 very big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the Laika AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So right here on their Twitter, their x.com, which is at Laika_AI, it says, first Web3 AI super app backed by Google startups, TGE coming soon. So that means the token will be coming out soon. And you can see right there, they are followed by Gate and they're followed by Kucoin. So, I mean, needless to say, those are going to be 2 central exchanges that come up in the future. And one of them, just recently, they tweeted out 10 hours ago. It says that we're excited to announce that the LKI token is now available on Kucoin Burning Drop. And so it says subscription period June 3rd. You can check that out. There's more details. You can click on that. And yeah, so that is the start. These tokens, they get listed on the Gate startup page on Twitter. They get listed as the stake to get airdrop events on Kucoin. And, there may be other central exchanges announced in the future here, like Bybit or something like that. But if you follow this Twitter right here, which has 118,700 Twitter followers, that's a lot of followers, they're going to announce all the TGE listing announcements here. And Kucoin is the first one they announced, and I assume Gate, because usually Gate and Kucoin kind of go hand in hand too. A lot of the tokens get listed on both of those sites at the same time. Maybe there'll be other ones, MEXC Global, maybe Bybit. We'll have to wait and see. But yes, follow the Twitter right here. Now you see right there, they have a full link tree as well. You click on that. On the link tree, they have the website, Laika-AI.io is their webpage. Their Twitter, Discord server, Telegram, Galaxy, Dmail, and a full white paper, a Git book that's going to give you all the info on this new token here. So what is this project all about here? Laika AI, data layer for on-chain AI. Laika AI is a visionary project that merges the power of artificial intelligence with the security of blockchain technology to pioneer decentralized intelligence solutions. In a rapidly evolving Web3 landscape, Laika AI stands as a beacon of innovation, offering users a suite of cutting-edge tools and analytics designed to enhance their experience and security within the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem. Our mission at the core of Laika AI's mission is the empowerment of Web3 users. We believe that knowledge is the ultimate safeguard in the digital realm, and our tools are built to provide users with the insights they need to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies, DeFi, NFTs, and beyond. We are committed to delivering a safer, more informed, and efficient experience for all participants in the Web3 space. Some of the key features: Laika AI's feature-rich platform includes advanced tools for token contract analysis, approval analysis, wallet analysis, DeFi research, NFT authenticity, signature data decoding, AI models for on-chain analytics and marketplace monitoring, and phishing website detection. These tools are designed to offer users invaluable insights into their assets and platforms that they engage with, fostering a greater sense of security and confidence in their Web3 interactions. Our vision: we envision a future where decentralized intelligence is readily accessible to anyone navigating the Web3 landscape through continuous innovation and integration with emerging blockchain technologies. We strive to remain at the forefront of the Web3 revolution, equipping users with the tools that they need to make informed decisions and thrive in a world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. So the token here. The LKI token serves as the utility token within the Laika AI ecosystem, providing various benefits and functionalities to token holders. And some of the key utilities of the token: number one is access to Laika AI products and services. So this token, the holders will have exclusive access to premium features and services offered by Laika AI. This includes accessing advanced AI models, unlocking additional functionality within the AI extension, and participating in specialized training programs. Also, we have staking and rewards. So this token, the holders can stake their tokens to support the network and secure the ecosystem. In return, they can earn staking rewards, incentivizing long-term participation and commitment to the growth and sustainability of the Laika AI platform. Also, discounts and incentives. Token holders may enjoy exclusive discounts, incentives, and priority access to future products, services, or events offered by Laika AI. This creates a value proposition for token holders and encourages active engagement within the ecosystem. And also collaboration and marketplace participation. So tokens can be used for collaborations, partnerships, and transactions within the Laika AI marketplace. This facilitates the exchange of services, resources, and intellectual property among community members, fostering a vibrant and collaborative ecosystem. These are some of the potential use cases for the token based on Laika AI. By issuing the token, Laika AI can create a decentralized and self-sustaining ecosystem for machine learning and AI development, where all stakeholders have a stake in this success. Additionally, the tokens could provide a mechanism for aligning incentives and driving growth and innovation in the ecosystem. So go check this token out. You can find all the info at laika-ai.getbook.io. Follow the Twitter. They're going to have all sorts of new listing announcements soon here, like Kucoin, etc. Go check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.